Write a short note on decree. The term decree has been defined under Section 2.2 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 CPC. According to Section 2.2 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, a decree means the formal expression of an adjudication which, so far as regards the court expressing it, conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. A decree may be either preliminary or final. The definition further provides that a decree shall be deemed to include rejection of a plaint and determination of any question under Section 144 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Restitution. However, a decree does not include any adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order and any order of dismissal for default. Essentials of a decree. For an adjudication to amount to a decree, the following conditions must be satisfied. There must be an adjudication. The adjudication must be given in a suit. It must determine the rights of the parties. The determination must relate to matters in controversy in the suit. The determination must be conclusive. There must be a formal expression of the adjudication. Kinds of decree. Preliminary decree. A decree is preliminary when further proceedings are required before the suit can be completely disposed of. For example, partition suits, mortgage suits, administration suits. Final decree. A final decree when it completely disposes of the suit and nothing further remains to be decided by the court. Partly preliminary and partly final decree. A decree may be partly preliminary and partly final when it finally determines certain rights of the parties while leaving some matters to be decided in further proceedings. Importance of a decree. A decree is important because it conclusively determines the rights of the parties. It forms the basis for execution proceedings. It provides legal finality to disputes. It enables the successful party to enforce the judgment through the court. Conclusion. Thus, a decree under Section 2.2 of the CPC 1908 is the formal and conclusive determination of the rights of the parties in a suit. It may be preliminary, final, or partly preliminary and partly final, and serves as the foundation for the enforcement of civil rights through judicial process.